lights on in that house.
On this side, after a couple of these houses, we're gonna see a.
Oh, you've been here before?
Yeah, my friend's uncle lives here.
The fuck you mean he lives here?
He lives here.
The fuck you mean he lives here?
In this general area.
Why? I don't like these potholes. We need to repave this fucking road.
Right? Okay.
Nah, it's Clinton Road.
Clinton Road.
Ass road.
You know what the worst thing is? We have to drive back.
Road.
Like, that's what I'm
Well,
like.
that's why I put it so that we have almost a full tank of
behind
gas.
you.
I'm not turning
We still
around.
have
I'm not turning around.
No, we don't have to drive. We have to drive back on this
Eddie,
road.
Eddie,
That's what's
open the
scary.
fucking blocks.
I know that.
Open the fucking blocks.
Guys, like 3-minute video, and you're not even getting any better.
Fuck you, Will.
I'm surprised you're not looking out at the forest.
You can't see shit. Out in the fucking forest.
Where's the flashlights?
There's one right here. It's not gonna fucking work.
Wait.
It feels like we're not even in New Jersey.
Where are we, lad?
Where the fuck we at?
Okay,
Yo, how long is this
supposedly
fucking
how you like.
So Amber, wait, Amber, when your friends came here.
Oh shit.
Huh?
When you came here with your friends.
Clinton Ironworks. Oh hell.
Oh,
no.
we went all the way
hell
through.
no. Oh hell no.
We went
Oh,
all the way.
Oh hell no.
Why?
We went through all the way
Oh my
through
God,
until we hit
so
the
dark.
other stop. Until we hit what are those stoplights? Like the lights when you stop and go and everything.
Hey, look, it's a record.
Oh my God.
No. Don't do fucking.
Okay, I think we've reached our point.
No.
Can we just skate back?
There's no. Why are you whipping it out?
I have friends in this. I have
The
friends
fuck
like,
you mean?
not in this area, like
The fuck you mean whipping out now? I was whipping out 3 fucking hours
Maybe
ago.
like a couple miles from here, where I could just like crash at their house and be like, yeah, I'm gonna sleep here forever.
Yo, I just want you guys to know, because I feel like everybody should notice, my asshole is so clenched right now. Alright, you gonna need the fucking jaws of death to like
Yeah, but
fucking.
you know what? We haven't seen the car behind the
So
truck.
Guys, I like living and leading my life.
See, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I get paranoid at fucking home, right?
Well, once the truck comes from behind us and tries to like ram us off the road, then
The fuck that say? The fuck does that say? The fuck is GVWR?
I don't deny this is a creepy road.
Oh my God, the reflectors always get me.
I won't deny
there's people.
it.
When I came here the first time, there was literally motorcycles on this road.
Really?
Motorcycles. People on motorcycles.
Well, whenever Amber says it's okay to turn around.
You gonna turn around right now?
Does the road actually end?
Yeah.
Oh God,
It's
I'm
like-
not getting signal for my. Are you really
The
not?
fuck you mean? Jet.
Yo, guys, those things should really go. I don't know. I'm just saying.
Why do you guys?
I'm not getting signal.
See, you see that? You see that? You see that?
Is it me or just got misty?
You have social justice.
I do, I don't. That shit is fucking fluctuating. There we go. It's an AT&T again. You know, got that word reliable signal right there.
We
Better
haven't.
It really doesn't even feel like we're in New Jersey because it's just like.
We haven't even got to where the little boy was killed.
Damn it.
look up here.
No internet connection.
Oh shit, no network available.
I have service.
Alright, yo, I'm going to fucking sleep. Alright? Alright?
I have service, guys. Don't worry.
I'm here. I'm going to sleep.
Okay. So
See, at least you know Amber has a connection.
I'm gonna say my
Look,
fucking.
Look, there's a car right there, people.
Oh
We're
shit.
fine.
I'm gonna say my fucking prayers for the first time in fucking 17 years.
wait, you never said prayers before.
Our Father,
You are in
who
heaven.
art in heaven,
Hallowed be their name.
hallowed be thy motherfucking name.
Thy kingdom come.
Thy will be done,
On
as it
earth
is in earth as it will be in heaven. Give me your daily bread, my nigga.
Our daily bread.
Alright, we can stop now. We can stop now. Shut up.
Be us.
Alright, yeah.
God,
Amen.
that's a temptation.
Uh-huh.
Deliver us from evil.
Yeah.
Amen.
All
At
the
least
evil.
Jenny knows it.
No, I know it too.
All the fucking evil. Yo, why does this shit look fucking foggy? What is going on?
Oh, it's because the windows are getting cold. I turned the heat back on.
What the fuck? The windows getting closed.
It's so fucking cross. You can do this shit by yourself.
For real? You fucking walk here. You walk this shit.
Oh my God! What if we got a flat tire right now?
Well,
I'm
what
scared.
the fuck is rattling back there?
I don't know.
What the fuck is rattling?
Yeah, I hear it.
Stop it! Stop going in the potholes.